the largest independent ophthalmology referral service possibly in Europe. We've built up from an employee base of me plus 2 others to the 75 people we employ today, and we've built that up mainly on word of mouth and just doing a really good job. Orthopaedic surgeons like to think that they have a lot of toys to play with, but ophthalmologists actually have much better and more intricate toys. It costs us a lot of money. We have a massive investment in the surgical equipment we use, and we're always keeping up to date with the latest ways of examining, and that then also applies then to our stuff outside of ophthalmology, for example the practice computer system. It's not easy to buy an off-the-shelf software that can do what you need it to do. ezyVet have been absolutely fantastic in accommodating our requests and being able to get that applied to the system quickly so that we can continue to push how we use it and get information out for research purposes, as well as be able to improve our communications with other practices.
Every month we're getting updates, there are more features. We're just about to install 2-way payment systems with Windcave, so we'll be able to send out invoices by email. They pay online and we send the drugs off. It makes everything much easier and more streamlined. We're going to save 20 to 30 hours per week in phone calls alone.
So using the ezyVet prescription request system, we save a lot of time. No one needs to come and see pharmacy directly. They can be at home and request things. I can work from home as well and then say, things are put up on the system, all you need to do is print the label, done. And I can write that note on the prescription, send a memo to the person who I know is either in the pharmacy or on reception, and it's done, which is lovely.
So having put ezyVet in place, we were then keen to investigate what whiteboard management systems were available for the hospital side of it, as we were starting to get to the stage where, because of the volume of cases we were seeing, we were bringing in more shift work, and we needed to be able to communicate effectively between shifts so that people knew what was going on, and also then have accountability that things were being done as were requested. And VetRadar ticks pretty much all the boxes we needed in order to be able to do that. VetRadar has a big advantage in terms of making sure that animals get their medication on time and that we can see that it's being done. Because some of our patients are on drops every hour, it's very easy for us to be able to set that up, then to make sure that the staff have a reminder each time that the medication needs giving, and that we can see that it's then been ticked off and given, and have that in a very auditable format.
VetRadar is great, so every time we perform an action, a nurse or a vet does something, adds an item, it goes into the system and it goes into the invoice, and yeah, we can manipulate that afterwards, but we capture everything that's happened. Whether it is from a financial point of view or clinical care point of view, we need to record everything we've done.
One of the most helpful features is that ezyVet integrates really well with our IDEXX lab system. So through ezyVet, we can request our lab tests. So we can say, I've got this patient, I'm on its file, I'd like a general in-house profile, thank you very much, that goes through. That automatically pings across to our IDEXX system. We can then run the test through that. The results are on the IDEXX system, automatically ping back to ezyVet. They then come up in the patient's file, so they're right there on the screen. The vet can kind of stick their head out of surgery. We can show them the screen through the window into theatre. They can have it on their tablet in wards whilst they're sitting with the animal. If we then need to forward on those results to anybody else, ezyVet generates a PDF in conjunction with IDEXX of those results, which we can then attach to an email straight from the animal's file and ping it across to whoever needs to see it.
If you're in the same position as us and you're looking for a really good practice management and hospital management system, the combination of ezyVet and VetRadar, in our opinion, will not be surpassed. You will not find 2 packages that integrate so well and enable you to do your job to the best of your ability.
It's pretty. I mean, that is a valid point. It does have to have a good interface to want to use it.